Need to send a PDF to someone quickly. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share PDF files using Adobe Acrobat Reader, whether you want to send the file as an email attachment or create a shareable link for online access. Let's get started. First, launch Adobe Acrobat Reader and open the PDF you want to share. You can use the Open File button or open the document directly from your computer. Before sharing the document, make sure you've saved any recent edits, comments, or signatures. This ensures the recipient receives the latest version of your PDF. Next, click the Share button near the top of the Acrobat Reader window. Depending on your version, you may see options to email the file, create a sharing link, or invite others to review the document. If you're sending the PDF directly to someone, choose your preferred email application and attach the file. If you want multiple people to access the document, create a shareable link instead. Some online sharing features may require you to sign in with an Adobe account. Review your sharing options, then send the email or copy the link and share it through your preferred messaging platform. So be sure to verify that you've selected the correct document before sending. Finally, confirm that the recipient can open the document successfully. If you've shared a link, test it yourself to make sure it works and that the access permissions are correct. And that's how to share PDF files with Adobe Acrobat Reader. Whether you're sending a document by email or using a shareable link, Acrobat makes it simple to collaborate and distribute PDFs. If this tutorial helped, leave a like, subscribe for more software guides, and thanks for watching.